almost as rough as how my liver is doing after having friends over, because also when you hit 30, the liver doesn't function anymore. It just like quits completely, and that's where we're at. And I've continued to berate it by feeding it this alcohol that it cannot handle or tolerate. Make no mistake, I'm paying for it, because I mean, the hangovers after 30, it starts about 28, I think. That's when you start to like, oh, you really, really feel this a lot harder than you did when you were in college. But then at 30, it's like, no, you will not recover for days. That's where I'm at. And I used to drink like a glass or two of wine every night, like when I watched my Housewives or something. I mean, lately, you know, even just a glass of wine, I'm like, oh, it's kind of throwing me off the next day. Can't do it. And so I haven't really been doing that. But last week was, I mean, of all weeks to be our first like kickoff streaming week, we had so many other things that were already planned. One of our friends who's a neurosurgeon, he was in town for a conference, and him and his girlfriend came over one night, and we went out to dinner one night, so you have a couple cocktails. I mean, honestly, like very responsible visitation with these people, but still a cocktail, and I'm like dragging the next day. And we obviously had more than one, because I mean, you know, we're a good time. We did that, and then we struggled. And so we did that on Sunday, and we did that on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, if you saw our camera, we got a little tipsy on camera in front of the stream for Wine Down Wednesdays. So we did that. And then on Friday, it was a long week, and so we got beers. And then on Saturday, one of our couple friends came over. They planned to just spend the night, because you can't, you know, drink and then take the kids home, or drive. And so they were just going to hang out, which meant that we didn't have anywhere to go or responsibilities once the kids were down. We popped a few bottles of wine, and oh, mama is struggling. I mean, I feel okay today, because I mean, I don't know how, like a miracle that I'm not suffering from a 15-day hangover, but my liver is very, very angry, and we are detoxing. I am committing to not drink. I mean, honestly, I don't even want to. Like, I have no interest. We're not going to be able to hang with the drinking multiple nights a week. We just can't do that anymore. We're not in college, and we feel it. I sound like I'm 100 years old in this stream today. I'm like, the TikTok? We can't drink because we have to make the TikTok tomorrow. Like, oh, what a loser. But I mean, that's what happens when you have kids and you grow up. Yeah, so we are not drinking anymore. I mean, I say that, but we'll drink tonight. No, I'm just kidding. We will drink Wednesday. I have no interest in drinking until then, though. You want to see your peeps, right? You got to make the memories. Memories last. Hangovers don't, except until you're after 30, then they do.